Hi, welcome back. I'm sure you're really enjoying the past videos. If you have not watched our past videos on imagination game, the suggestibility test, do it right now. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis 1972 and started teaching hypnosis 1977. I have students all over the world in 176 countries. Now my friend, watch this video, learn from it, practice on yourself first and then do it on others and have fun and keep coming back to our next videos. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now and please click on the button on the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we are going to put a new videos, and I'm going to put a lot of videos in the future, all practical videos to learn hypnosis now. Right now you are watching videos on suggestibility test. I call it imagination game, and you can have fun with your friends. So watch it now and then come back to the next videos. Thank you. Hi, welcome back again, and I'm sure you have watched my previous videos on hypnotic imagination game. If you have not watched them, go back and watch them. And now I'm going to give you a demo how to do arm rigidity imagination game. So watch me, and there are different variations also you can do with your eyes closed or eyes open. Both ways work. If you are not confident starting now, you can start with the eyes closed and then do it. Or if you are already confident, you can do with your eyes open also. Ready? Now make hand stiff, rigid like a steel bar. Now you pick up a point here on your hand and imagine that your hand is completely stiff, rigid like a steel bar. Want it happen, make it happen, let it happen. When you really feel, which part of your hand you feel more stiff? Over here, from this the stiffness spreading all over up to your shoulder is completely locked, completely stiff and rigid like a steel bar. Try to bend it around, but you cannot. The harder you try to bend it, the more stiff and rigid it becomes. Try. You can use your other hand also to try to bend it, but you cannot. The harder you try, the more difficult it becomes. Try. You cannot. Yeah, really stiff. Good. When I snap my finger or clap my hand, your hand will be released, relax, and feel wonderful. Feeling good? This is very good idea, you know. When some boy or somebody, you know, tease you or do something, make your hands very stiff and dhak. What an idea. You don't need a rod or anything.
This feels actually very powerful.
Okay. Hi, welcome. I'm sure you really enjoyed this exercise. Now find a friend, do it on them, one friend or two friends or three friends, up to you. The more you do it, the better it is. And now, if you really want to learn these new things practically, I conduct a workshop on hypnosis regularly. So click on the link below and check the dates and register immediately. And I have a lot of other things available. So please go and check the links. And now, if you have not, again I remind you, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and like it. Click on the like button and share it with your friends, and click on the notification button so that you get notified every time I put a new video, which I am going to do a lot of them now. So, thank you very much for watching and come back to the next video. Thank you.